So what we're going to be doing in this example is to show how we're going to use an Excel table to control the variations of different components or different parts, if you will. Now we'll start out inside of Autodesk Inventor 2011 by building up some basic geometry that we want to control with an Excel table. Now these different components can be controlled by dimension, or we can control different configurations using Excel spreadsheets as well. There's a variety of different things that we can control with an Excel spreadsheet. What we're going to start out doing is adding some different dimensions to this geometry here inside of Inventor 2011, just to give some basic ideas and general concepts of how this works. After we're done adding these different dimensions, we're going to go ahead and add the features that we want for this part. We're going to go ahead and create a revolve. Now with that completed, we'll now go ahead and start using an Excel spreadsheet to control the model. Now as we add these different dimensions inside of Autodesk Inventor 2011, these different dimensions are given names by Inventor automatically. We might want to control some specific components, for example height, width, the diameter of the hole. These are different notes or things that we can lay out in an Excel spreadsheet to use to control our model. If we pull this spreadsheet back up, we can go ahead and enter some different variations than the original dimensions that we have on the model. So this is a brand new spreadsheet. We'll go ahead and add these, or put these new dimensions on here, and resave this model off, or resave this spreadsheet off. And we'll simply go into Autodesk Inventor's parameters box. This will allow us to link the spreadsheet that we just saved off. It will automatically recognize the dimensions with the associated names, so we don't have to remember what D0 is and what D1 is, but rather we can remember the height, the width, and the hole diameter as the actual names that we put on the Excel spreadsheet, to simplify the changes that maybe are made other than people by engineers and things that way. So we'll go ahead and link up what D0, what D1, what D2 is to the associated dimensions on our Excel spreadsheet. This gives us the functionality to simply right-click right inside of Excel and go in there and actually change the dimensions inside of the Excel spreadsheet. We don't have to worry about this spreadsheet updating Inventor automatically. As soon as we close this down, it's going to go ahead and remind us to save it off, and it'll be able to update the model automatically inside of Autodesk Inventor.